Hey beauties, Beautiful J here. Today I'm coming to you guys with a DIY deep conditioner. As you guys know, it is Mask Monday and I wanted to go ahead and bring to you guys a conditioner that you can do right at home with kitchen products. So in today's deep conditioner, I am going to be using Aussie Moist conditioner. I like this conditioner because it has lots of slip. You want to make sure you have a conditioner that has lots of slip. And I'm also going to be using honey, olive oil, and my hair growth serum from Beautiful J's collection. I'm going to drop that link down below if you guys want to go ahead and purchase this serum. We are going to use the Aussie Moist conditioner. Honestly, I don't measure out any of these things. I just go ahead and apply however much I think will be enough for all of my hair. So with the Aussie Moist conditioner, it is very moisturizing and has lots of slip in it. You know, honey is also great for your hair. Antioxidant properties in the honey helps prevent breakage and help keep your scalp and hair really healthy and strong. Now, olive oil, you guys should already know olive oil is very good for naturals. It is great with aiding in shine in your hair and also helping strengthen your hair. Now, the last thing I am going to use is my hair growth serum from Beautiful J's collection. This is my own personal hair growth serum that I put together. It will help speed up the recovery of hair growth and help thicken your hair. I do love mixing all of these products together because it's the perfect combo for moisture and hair growth. Like, literally not kidding you, this DIY, all of these products will give you the results that you want. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this product throughout my hair. I like to section off my hair. You guys should already know that. It just makes it easier for me to prevent as much breakage as possible and easy to make sure I'm applying this product all throughout my hair. This product, it actually smells really good and it's very slippery. Like, I'm able to glide this on my hair. I'm really loving this DIY. This is like literally one of my favorite mixtures. I actually will be using a wide tooth comb only because I just don't feel like doing the finger detangling. You guys know I love finger detangling, but I am going to go ahead and use a wide tooth comb as well, making sure I start at the bottom, working my way up so that way I won't break my hair. Now, if you are enjoying this video so far, do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below and also make sure you hit that bell so you won't miss any of my videos. I do post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Now we kick it almost every day, and I like the way I'm feeling. My soul is on the ceiling. Yeah, I think that you are the reason that I'm feeling so sunny. I think that we are both surfing on the same spiritual wave. They say easy come, easy go, but I don't wanna know what that feels like. What that feels like with you. They say easy come, easy go, but I don't wanna know what that feels like.
Now, I am going to make sure I sit under a dryer as well because I really want this to soak into my hair. I am going to be using a plastic bag because I don't have any shower caps, but it is a-okay. If you have a shower cap or a plastic bag, whatever you have, go ahead and put that on before sitting under a dryer. This dryer I actually got from Sally's. It's very convenient. I like it because you can literally store it anywhere. It's not taking up that much space. Now I am going to go ahead and take down my hair after sitting under the dryer, and as you guys can see, my hair looks amazing. I wish you guys can feel how soft my hair feels. I'm not even kidding you. Like, my hair feels so soft and looks so moisturized, and that is why I love this DIY deep conditioner. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you find these ingredients helpful. If you try this out, go ahead and leave a comment down below. As always, thank you so much for tuning into my video. Do not forget to subscribe, hit that button down below. See you guys in my next video.